This is how you can quickly filter large data sets in Microsoft Excel after you've enabled the filter button using CTRL+SHIFT+L on your keyboard. Number 1. Using selected cell value. When you select any cell of your choice, you can right click on that cell, go to filter. You have the option to filter by selected cell value, filter by selected cell color, by font color, and by cells icon. Let's go for selected cell value. Once I click that, Excel filter my data set and only show me record based on that selected cell value. Number 2. Using wildcards. If I go to the drinks column and I click on the filter button, you can use the search bar to ask Excel to give me all drinks starting with W and any number of characters after W using the asterisk kind or wildcards. Once I click that, click on OK, you can see it returns drinks that start with letter W and any number of characters after W. Number 3. Using date filters. So if you have a date record in your data set, Excel provides and gives you the opportunity to use the date filters and filter through different time periods. So if you select the date filters, you have to filter your date before a certain date, after, or between certain dates. You can filter your records to tomorrow, today, yesterday, this week, last week, next week, this month, next month, last month. Let's choose last month for example and filter your record automatically to show record for only last month. Number 4. Using text filters. If you have a text column within your data set, Excel gives you the opportunity to filter your record using the text filters to show record that equals to or text that contains, ends with, begins with, does not contain. Let's do text that ends with food for example. If I click on OK, you notice it only gives me record of dishes that ends with what? That ends with food. Number 5. Filter by cell color. Let's say we come to this number of orders and we just create a conditional column to set cells greater than 40, and let's filter those with a green fill. One more time, conditional formatting, highlight cell rows, let's say less than 40, and let's leave those cell color red. So if I go back to the filter button, I will see filter by color, so I can say okay, show me record for cells that only have the color green. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, follow for part 2.